gotta go to the office. Yeah, oh yeah, I'll miss you all. I'll miss you all. Bye, see you later.
Bye, see you later.
Bye, see you later.
Mom. I'll see you later. Okay, Wilbur.
Bye. Oh, they're just in the car.
Oh, in the car. That's where all the shoes go.
Oh, you're going golfing today after the mountain.
Not today.
I'm going golfing today? I wish. This is so much. As you can see, this truck purchase is totally justified. We need all the space we can get.
So quick before you went down here.
Just checking the wildflowers, because you never know. We're about to move into the mountains, but it is looking good for Manning Park.
2 hours on the dot.
2 hours on the dot. That's pretty darn good. Oh, no, that's not it. Matcha baby. We're girls. We love matcha. We got a little oat milk for my dairy-free queen over here. Nothing but the best for my little sis. Oh, sorry.
First bite.
So good. A moment for my windshield. Bug guts from the last road trip. It's time to get out of the city. Into the mountains!
Can you not just do like the water?
It doesn't. This is what it does. Ooh, look at those mountains. Almost there. Just a little bumpy. Whoa, this feels crazy. She's having four-wheel drive. It's gotta be a country song about that.
Trying to find the bathroom.
Wait, it's tippy top. That actually, no. This is not even for aesthetics. This is just for practicality. I'm not trying to be a cute artist right now. Ready? Can't see that. I know there's better ways. There's better ways, but I just don't have time. Oh, it's not even in the frickin'. Get it out. Okay, we made it to the spot. I think we missed the peak alpine meadow bloom, but look, we got a little Dr. Zeus moment. Still gorgeous. Look at us. Gotta stay on the path in these joints.
Do you understand what staying on the trails means?
Safety first. Always use a drop cloth when you're painting outside. Flattest spot, probably here. It's flat-ish. Level out the painting, because this is definitely uneven ground. Got this little trick up my sleeve. Use the measure app, and then I just put it on the level mode. I use a lot of water, so it's important that I'm level. When you paint outside, you have no idea where the environment's gonna look like, and I should probably invest in an easel that I can paint flat on, but when in Rome. Oh, we're so close. We're so freaking close. Yeah, rolling. All right, we got a little bit of a room for our fellow passerbyers. I need a level for myself. Jar of water with a lid. So for this scene, I'm thinking I actually want to bring the composition to the lower half of the canvas, and I want to incorporate the tree line. You look over this way, you see there. And so I'm not going to go too sky heavy, as a lot of the pieces in the series, well, there's only two, but the two pieces of the three have a lot of sky in it. So I'm going to challenge myself by just focusing on the mountainscape and a little bit of these alpine flowers. Maybe these little blueberries. So cute there. So I like to mix on the canvas and then add water. Just start splish splashing around. Keep everything on the canvas. I kind of just unplug my brain when I start painting, and I just start painting. And so I'm gonna get in the zone now. I'm gonna shut up and start painting.
It's been a journey.
It's been a journey. Oh, I think I watched it with... version of It's a big fly. People like me, oh yeah.
It's great.
Yeah, welcome to my studio.
Yeah.
I own the place. It's
Oh, that's
great.
amazing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, very good.
Thanks. That's so pretty. Thank you. Hi. Have a good rest of your hike.
Thank you. Wow, look at that.
Thanks. Have a good one. Bold. Like it. Oh, it was breaking as I was doing it. Oh my gosh, so much purple paint. I love it. Thank you, Lizzie. Doesn't matter what you think.
But I don't blow smoke. I really mean it this time.
This
I mean, I
time?
mean, I never.
Wait,
don't
what
say it.
I've been lying all the other times. It's fine.
How do you feel?
I feel good. This was very dreamy. This is where I will stop, pause, bring it to the studio. The goal of the first layer for me is just to capture the feeling of the place, not so much the literal place itself, but more the emotion. Where I belong. You're supposed to sing with me, Lizzie.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she's like, country road, mountain mama. If you want to watch more videos, click here, click there. I don't know. I don't even think that works anymore. It's been
Just
so
click.
long. It's been so long since I've been on YouTube. Bum, 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 bum.